Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss about shift register in Siemens logo PLC. First, open your PLC software. On the left side, scroll down and select shift register and click here. Give the command shift register. What the shift register do is it will read the status of an input whenever there is a trigger and then update the status in the shift register bits accordingly. If you see, there are four inputs: input, trigger, direction, and reset, and one output. These are digital signals. So take digital inputs, take four number and one out. Okay, output will not take. Connect and give the comment. This is input and this one is trigger and this one is direction. Fourth one, reset. Adjust these lines for better clarity. Okay. And go to this properties of shift register block. There are two options. The first one is shift register index. In this logo PLC, there are total four shift registers, and each shift register there are 8 bits. Okay. So if the shift register 1 is selected, then we can call it as S1.1, S1.2, 1.3, like that, S1.8. And to view the status of these shift register bits, under digital, if you can find one bit, shift register bit S, select this one and click here. If you see, it is S1.1. That means this represents the status of shift register 1 and the first bit, like that, S1.2, the second bit, S1.3, the third bit. Total 8 bits in one shift register. Total 8 is selected. Now I will take 8 outputs so that we can see the status of these shift register bits in the simulation window. For that purpose, I am connecting 8 outputs, each shift register with one output. Connect. Okay. Now the Q1 represents the status of S1.1, Q2 S1.2, Q3 S1.3, like that Q8 S1.8. Now go to simulation. Okay. So the shift register will read the status of this input, then it will update the status in the output. Okay. Right now I will turn on the input I. Nothing happened. Whenever this shift register receives one trigger pulse, then only it will take the status of input one time and then update the output. Okay, this time what it will do, whenever the trigger is received, it will take the status of this input and update the Q1. Before updating Q1, it will shift all these bits right side or shift upwards one time. The Q7 value will be moved to the Q8, Q6 value moved to Q7. Like that it will move all these bits one time on the upside or right side, and the input value will be stored in Q1. Okay, that means this new input will be saved in Q1. Before that, Q1 value will be moved to Q2. Before that, Q2 moved to Q3, like that it will happen. Now I will give one time trigger. Observe, Q1 is on. This input status bit is taken. Now I will make input off. Again I will give trigger. What happens? First, all these registers bits will move one time to the right side. That means shift upwards. After moving, then the new input value will be updated in the Q1. See, I'm giving one time trigger. Okay, these are already in off state, so you cannot see anything with your eyes. Now I will again turn on input. Again I will give the trigger one time. Trigger must be a pulse. It has to change from 0 to on state. Then only it will move the data. Okay. Again input off. Again trigger. See, observe what is happening. Data is moving one time to the right side. Also, the new value input is updating in the Q1. This is shift register and up. You can see the same status of this Q1 in the S1.1 shift register bits on the right side here. See, okay. I will turn on this input I continuously and I will give trigger continuously. See what is happening. Okay. Now, when this direction bit is on, I will turn on this direction bit. Then instead of moving shift upwards, it will go shift downwards. That means instead of shifting right side, now it will shift left side. Also, instead of updating Q1, it will now update Q8. Okay, we will see that. It is in already on state, so I will turn off this input I so that we can see. Now, when we give the trigger, this time the 0 will be moved to Q8. Before that, it will move one time to left side. All bits will move one time to left side. See, observe, trigger is given. Input 0 updated in Q8. Again, see, observe. I will now turn on the input I. Again, I will give trigger. I will turn off input. Okay. If I give reset all bits 0. So this is shift register. This register can work in right side shifting or left side shifting. Okay, shift upwards or shift downwards based on the direction bit. Clear? If you have any industrial experience, share with us how you use this type of shift register bit in your process control application through the comment section. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.